Hello and welcome back to another episode of One Two Step. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be helping you learn how to change Facebook profile photo without notifying others. In order to learn how, keep watching the video till the end, and if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To change your Facebook profile picture without notifying everyone, first tap open your Facebook. Upload your profile picture like you normally do. Tap on your profile picture at the upper right, and as soon as you do that, tap on your profile picture from your profile page. From the expanded menu, tap on Select Profile Picture. Choose any picture you want to change to from your gallery, and once you select the picture, adjust the picture like how would you want it to appear on your profile. After you're done selecting your picture, tap on the Done button at the upper right corner. If you don't want to share your update to your newsfeed, uncheck this box at the bottom. Now, tap on Save in order to upload the picture, which is located at the upper right corner. Tap on OK from the pop-up, and once your profile picture has been uploaded, tap Open the picture and tap on the three dots at the upper right corner of the screen. From the expanded menu, tap on Edit Privacy. Under Who Can See Your Post, tap on See More for more options and tap Select Only Me. Go back to your profile after that. After you make this small change, your Facebook profile picture will be changed without notifying anyone. That is how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.